Okay, I just wanted to do a quick close-up on this black and white and gold painting, since it's really hard to see when I'm doing the video, but I think it turned out really well. I had no silicone whatsoever, and there's cells everywhere. It's hard to see where the painting ends and the drip starts, but there we go. Try and get the glare off. But I think it turned out pretty decent. I had a lot of cells pop up in there on their own. I mean, no silicone. I'm not so sure I've got clouds from the satin enamel, but maybe over here a little bit. Hard to tell. Nothing like I've seen in other paintings though. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the close-up. Obviously it's still wet, but at least you can kind of see what it looks like. So now I'm going to bed. Good night, everybody.